question is, how significant do you think such events are enhancing India's contribution to research, healthcare and technology?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you first of all for Krupanidhi College and also Ramandan sir for inviting us for this prestigious event. So this event mainly focuses on multiple aspects. The first, one of the most important aspect is CEO Conclave. So wherein your syllabus does not cover more about how entrepreneurship journeys and startup works and what are the aspects the CEO in the way it thinks and how businesses are born in an ecosystem and sustainable models. That's the first part, CEO Conclave. The second part is the job fair. So most difficult thing for the youngsters who are looking out is the outcome-based education, which is required as a job. So how companies comes and takes their interviews and how students can pick up the companies and do the background research about the companies and how they can work on the job interviews is this job fair. Nearly 40 plus companies are attending this job fair and one-stop solution for all the youngsters to attend the interviews before they go out of the colleges. One of the most interesting part of this 2 days of event is hackathon. How can you identify a problem and how can you create a solution and how can you make it as a business model and sustainable and branding? How can you create it is more important with the hackathon. So that's the 2 days of back-to-back events, and there are so many industry people and CEOs who are attending these events, including from pharmaceutical companies and clinical research organizations, regulators, from hospitals, from IT companies. So multiple role models and multiple CEOs are coming and speaking towards it. And during the hackathons, they are going to listen and justify that how the products are being built and how we can make it as a pilot models and how we can make it as business models, and we're going to put it as seed investment and investments can be spoken during this 2 days event. So this 2 days events is apart from the syllabus and books which are not being taught. And this is absolutely needed because the way this 2 days will inculcate the culture and what exactly is industry needed and how academia and industry can collaborate together to work for the future. It will be very beneficial. So at the end note, so this 2 days will make sure that students will build up the confidence, will come up with more ideas, will come up and give a lot of interviews, will interact with industry experts. They speak more about data, they speak more about networking, they speak more about entrepreneurship, financing, fundings, mathematics, calculations, everything they will be speaking within this 2 days. So, however, thank you so much for Krupanidhi Institution for calling me for this 2 days wonderful events. I hope students will enjoy. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.